Whether you plan to stay in your home for some time to come, or you're considering some upgrades in preparation for selling, before you dive in and make a significant investment in renovations, it's wise to know which renovations will add the most value. These 7 renos and upgrades should be at the top of your list. Hi, I'm Jerry Chopic. I'm a licensed realtor in Ontario with Right at Home Realty, the #1 brokerage in the GTA since 2013 and the largest independent brokerage in Canada. Let's delve into today's topic, 7 home renos and upgrades that can add instant value to your home. Well, before we get into renos and upgrades per se, let's cover 2 fairly inexpensive projects that would be worthwhile. First, address any items that need to be repaired, especially those that affect the appearance of your home, both inside and out. This could be anything from an old mailbox, fence in need of repair, a tree or shrub that's seen better days. Is there anything broken or chipped or seriously dated, that should be replaced? Anything that could use a new coat of paint? Sometimes we're so accustomed to seeing the same thing every day that we overlook the obvious. So start with a critical eye. Now, power washing the exterior of your home, including all brickwork, trim, aluminum soffit, fascia, and eaves, can brighten things up in a matter of hours. Be sure to include all concrete and walkways in the driveway. If you don't have a power washer strong enough, it's well worth buying a gas-powered unit in the 3,000 PSI category to get the job done, properly. They're usually priced in the $600 range. If you don't need it afterwards, don't want it afterwards, you can easily sell it online through Kijiji or what have you at a discount, and consider the difference in price, the cost of getting the exterior of your home completely clean. It's inexpensive and it usually yields great results. Nothing says fresh like a new coat of paint throughout your home, inside and out if it's looking tired. And if you take on the painting yourself, then this can be a very inexpensive project that again yields great results. If you're planning on selling soon, then neutral is always best. But there are also ways of accomplishing neutral without being boring. We don't want to be boring. Check out the latest trends in terms of colors and interior accent walls and trim. Simple, inexpensive, complementary pieces like area rugs and accent pillows, can make a neutral decor really pop. And here's one that I've not seen done often. I've twice hired contractors to repaint my entire trim, soffits, fascia, and eaves. It's fairly inexpensive, done in a couple of days, and it looks like new every time. Now, in terms of cost to value, an attractive garage door, if required, is an important upgrade when it comes to assessing return on your investment. Good or bad, your garage door makes a statement and directly affects your curbside appeal. Potentially an important upgrade if you're considering selling. New insulated single doors will run about $1,500 to $2,000. Give thought to how this new door will be color coordinated with the rest of your exterior trim. At the same time, replacing your entrance door, perhaps at the same time as you're doing your garage door, will again add to the curb appeal and to the welcome statement, when guests or possible purchasers arrive at your front door. If upgrades to kitchens and baths are required, then these 2 areas are where you typically get the greatest return on your investment. But before you embark on a major, kitchen overhaul, depending on its current condition, consider a minor upgrade instead. Cabinet boxes can remain in place and can be easily upgraded with modern doors, panels, and door fronts. Optionally, there are also a lot of companies that will remove your current wood doors, strip them down, and have them professionally repainted or restained in designer colors. Add to the new look with updated contemporary hardware. I would replace any laminate countertops if they happen to be the case, with granite, marble, or corian. A new countertop is also a great opportunity to replace a tired sink with a mid-priced one, and new faucets. Lastly, swap out any older appliances with energy-efficient stainless steel models and sell your current ones off online. Bathrooms can be pricey to upgrade, especially if you need to strip one down completely. But assuming that the tile and the flooring are fairly neutral, even installing a low-profile toilet and replacing the vanity, sink, faucets, and the lighting can make a huge difference. If you have the budget in your overall reno plan, sure, go for more. But if not, These changes, together with repainting, can give bathrooms a whole new look and feel. Hardwood flooring is a preference for most buyers and homeowners, and literally there's hundreds of options available in the market now, from engineered flooring through to actual hardwood. And if you shop around, prices are fairly reasonable. A personal opinion, if possible, and of course budget permitting, I would pass on laminate flooring. It's inexpensive and it looks inexpensive. Once damaged, it's virtually impossible to repair. And whether it's laminate or engineered or solid hardwood, do not install any of these products in areas subject to any dampness at all or dramatic changes in humidity, where they will expand and contract, and they'll buckle. I'm thinking mainly on top of, basement concrete floors, although a 100% dry and air-conditioned basement that keeps humidity down, with a subfloor would be fine. We've all seen properties where, the home looks great, but where the asphalt driveway has certainly seen better days. Sometimes the solution is simply a $75 pail of black sealer, a roller, and an hour or two of elbow grease. If significant repairs are required to your driveway, get a few quotes and speak to your realtor to assess, cost versus return on investment. Now, the cost of rentals and upgrades can be limitless, of course, but if you're looking for cost-effective ways to increase the value of your home, these 7 tips should go a long way to increasing that value without a significant financial investment. And if you're considering selling your GTA home and would like a no-pressure assessment of value plus some pre-sale upgrade suggestions, please contact me directly and I will arrange to meet with you personally. I hope you found this information useful, and thank you for watching.